Hey folks, and welcome to week 16. So it looks like we've got a lot going on this week, and we sort of do, but it's just really sort of chopped up. So by Wednesday, May 8th, you need to look at the sample SA4 draft and turn in your rough draft, okay? That's the one thing here, is that we are getting kind of down to the end of things. It is week 16. I'm giving you through, or into, rather, um, um, finals week to finish up that essay. Okay, so I'm giving you some extra time here, but that does mean that in order to make that happen, we need to get through peer review during this week. Okay, so you're going to submit your rough draft by Wednesday. Then look for an email noting your SA4s in Google Docs and complete the self-review on your SA4 in Google Docs. So peer review is going to be a little bit different this time. We're just going to work in pairs. I want to go ahead and take you into the self-review document here so you can see what we're looking at. So basically, I'm asking you to go through and kind of do a little bit of metacognition and think about what you think is good and bad about your own essay. So go ahead and go through these instructions, make comments in your own Google Doc of your essay 4, and then your partner is going to end up coming in and commenting and responding to your comments, okay? So, and I will as well. So highlight places you think you're concerned with, but also highlight places you think are really strong, all of those sorts of things. So that self-review document is here in or in the Friday folder. For Monday, okay, I want you to complete peer review. So between Friday and Monday, I want you to go ahead and complete peer review on this. So you're going to have to do some work over the weekend. So look for an email with your peer review pairings, complete the peer review on your peers' essays. Again, there's instructions right here for that. And then look at my feedback as well. I will, by Monday or Tuesday, try to have you feedback as well. And then finally, just complete the class evaluation. You can just do that by clicking this link. I think a lot of you have been through class evals before. If there's anything I can do to make the class clearer, easier to understand, I'm always willing to hear it. So glad to get some feedback there. Okay? If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know.